the food has come out.
That look really good.
Seafood udon.
The traditional John right there. She got the apple crumb. And he has the red velvet cheesecake. This your man, Matt DV. We are out here on these rainy streets of New York City. And why do I say that? Why do I say we're out here on these rainy streets? Because I got these cats right here with me, man. I brought them to New York, man. My kids wanted to come to New York. They don't hang out on the streets and do wild stuff. Uh-oh, y'all, look, just right here. Just right here. Right here on the street, look. Look at this. What is going on? Y'all know I just want to take that artwork home, man. We're going to this bow spot. I've been here before, y'all, but I am craving right now some, I'm craving some food. I'm lost for words right now because I had an umbrella over here and he's not on his game today. You ain't on your game today, son. What you got?
Everything's gonna be all right.
There's the Empire State Building, y'all, for those that ain't from New York. This is the spot. We're going inside. Let me give y'all across the street. Let me give y'all across the street look. Hold up. We going right in there. Nanxiang. Shang. Oh, I don't know what that is. That Xiao? What's the L? Long Bao. That's where we're going right now. I'm going in and have some lunch with my my children and enjoy ourselves. They got music in here, y'all. Y'all know me and the music. Hey, how's it going? Ooh, it's warm in here too. We're gonna sit down. 3. All right, y'all, the food has come out. What's those?
Rice.
That's the sticky rice?
Okay.
Yeah, it was sticky rice. That's
What's this?
That look really good.
Seafood udon.
The Lucky 6. They call it the Lucky 6, y'all. Check this out. I don't want to drop them. Look at that. Woo! What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep this top on them. The first one I'm gonna take out. Is, what is it? The pork and the shrimp one. That's the green one. We're gonna take that out like that, y'all. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that steam coming off of it. All right, we have a little placard over here to tell us how to eat it. Yeah, man. Here we go. I'm gonna set mine there. And it said that we should just bite a little piece off the top. Zoe said I was supposed to have it in the spoon first. I didn't do that. Here we go, y'all. That should be in the spoon. So, and then it says once we bite the top off, we gotta drink the soup out of there. Right? This is the first time I'm in this restaurant dining. It's the second time I'm at this location. And the first time, I don't know if you saw that video, but this soup in here is absolutely delicious. Oh my goodness. That is so delicious. Hold up, what do you do after you drink the soup? Then you just eat it, y'all. Isn't this funny? Somebody has to tell me how to eat my food. Huh? Put a little soy. I'm gonna put soy sauce in the next one. You don't need any soy sauce in here. You really don't. It just tastes so good. Look at this, man. Look. See that right there? You got that little opening with that meat inside. I'm gonna pick this up with my fingers, yo. See the inside of it? I like bell pepper, veggies.
I picked up that one.
Yeah, take a few of them.
What's this? Chicken?
That's ginger.
More noodles.
This is really good, y'all. We're going for the black truffle one next. This is not gonna be a long video if you ever buy this place. Well, let me taste the rest of them first, right? We're going for the black truffle. That's the black truffle, John, right there. Look at all that. You can just feel it, man. It looks like a sack full of deliciousness. First, I'm gonna bite the top.
That's my favorite type of noodles.
Udon noodles is your favorite type? Why didn't you order some? Oh, you'll have some. All right, y'all, let's just taste the black truffle. Let's drink the soup first. The soup is the best part. That is delicious, but I want to tell you that the shrimp and the pork soup tastes tastier to me. Yeah. This is delicious, don't get me wrong. It's delicious, but the soup, the other one had a better taste to it. And that broth, I'ma just eat this whole thing, man. You know? Uh-oh. That's the meat that's inside. See that?
No, I kind of want to chop it.
Wow.
Put it on the plate.
I want that shrimp on there.
Okay, can you put it on that plate? Oh, you don't want the shrimp on there. Okay, I'll use this.
My kids are cracking me up. They're cutting something with a spoon. They're starting to act like their daddy. I have some chili oil here, y'all. This time I'm gonna put a little chili oil in the next one. Hold up, let me see which one I'm going for next. Hold up, wait a minute. This time, I'm gonna eat the scallop. The scallop, I'm gonna try the scallop. It's orange, y'all, so let's go for the scallop. We're gonna put some chili oil on that one. The scallop is orange. Ooh, 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 ooh. The scallop is leaking. Oh, there we go. That's the scallop. That joke will feel heavy. Bite that tip off. You gotta bite the little nipple off there. Ooh. Wow. Hold up. Let me set this down. I want y'all to see inside this. Look at this. Look at this chili sauce. Right there. I feel like I need to taste this first before I put it on there. But I think they should have an extra spoon for the chili sauce because I just bit that off and I don't want to put that on something I bit off. You know, that makes sense? So we're just gonna go on top of it a little bit. Oh, that look like chili oil. Put some of that chili. You want some on top?
Yeah, on the side right here.
You want more? You don't want to taste it first?
No?
Just put it on the side right there?
Yeah.
Tell me when. You didn't tell me when, but.
Yeah, guys, kids still want it.
Okay. Okay, let's shake it around in there. Shake it around. Okay. It's a little spicy, not too spicy. Let's put some ginger on there. The chili oil is starting to hit me. We're gonna put some ginger on this one. We got ginger and chili oil. I'm tasting it. Zach's gonna do the chicken one because Zach doesn't eat pork.
That's that yellow one right there?
The yellow one. Yeah. Yeah, lift it up like that. Careful. Don't let it leak. Okay, so I guess since he just ate my chicken one, like bring the kids with me and they eating all my food. See what I'm talking about? See what I'm talking about? Like Bernie Mac, see what I'm talking about?
Junior's cheesecake. After this.
Oh, now he's talking to the camera. Did he just say Junior's cheesecake after this? He ain't said nothing but a thing. We can be out here eating all day. I'm down with the get down. So, I did make a mess. She said I made a mess. That's why I got my napkins. What up, Jay Lane? It is. I know. Zoe was like saying how tasty it was. Don't be nervous now because you're on camera. Zach, show us what you ate on your. Hold up your plate. So y'all, he's eating his udon noodles. How were they? Scale of 1 to 10.
9.
Or 9. 9, 10. Okay, over to Zoe now. Zoe had the shrimp and pork dumplings, the green ones. How were they? Scale of 1 to 10.
I'm gonna give it a 10.
She's gonna give it a 10, y'all. She said it was delicious. I'm gonna agree with her, man. And the shrimp. What do you think of the shrimp?
I really like the shrimp too.
You do? Okay, the shrimp was okay. The shrimp was okay. They were stir-fried shrimp. That's what they were. The shrimp was stir-fried shrimp because it tastes rubbery kind of to me. I like my shrimp to have that rough, tough bite in it. I mean, it's hard to explain. Anybody on here know the difference taste between farm raised and wild caught shrimp? It tastes different to me. I like wild caught shrimp. This your man, Matt DV.
And if nobody's doing
Uh-huh.
Like it's like a basket, but it's something.
This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people. Thanks for hanging out with me. I love you, cats. See you at the next one. Peace. See, the kids aren't in suit. Hold up. Let's do this again, okay? Let's do this. Take 2. This your man, Matt DV. Nobody told you they love you today. You hanging with the wrong people. Thanks for hanging out with me. I love you, cats. Peace. Cut. Junior's cheesecake.
Got some?
All right, well, that's a good reason.
Look, y'all, that's the traditional John right there. She got the apple crumb.
Enjoy.
Thank you. And he has the red velvet cheesecake. Red velvet cheesecake. Hold up, we gotta see this at a better angle. Look at, oh, that looks good, man. I should have got that one. Mine looks small too. It kind of look like I got kind of robbed right here. It seems like Zoe has a nice full slice, right? But it looked like my cheesecake got robbed. What do you guys think? Is Junior slipping by giving me the, what happened to the rest of my cheesecake? Hold up, let me measure mine against Zoe's. Look at mine and Zoe's.
God. Comparison is the thief of joy.
It's the thief of joy. Zach said comparison is the thief of joy. How did he get so wise all of a sudden? This is so good. We out here, y'all. We just came from Junior's Cheesecake, and now we gonna battle the rain, head back downtown. Yo, the rain is serious, man. It's serious. It's hitting me in the face. It's really, really, really serious. Look at the sights, y'all. Y'all can walk ahead. Look, Zach's umbrella's about to fly away. I'm about to go this morning. I don't know, y'all. I think we may get on the train downtown. We're gonna cross here, y'all.